In this video, we will talk about how to create new user account on Windows 10. Method 1. Control panel. Right-click on Windows icon. Select Run. Type Control and click on OK. Click on User Accounts. Again, click on User Account. Then, Manage another account. Select Add a new user in PC Settings. It will redirect you to the account settings. Select Add someone else to this PC. Click I don't have this person's sign-in information. Here, you can select Get a new email address to log in Windows 10 with email account. Or you can select Add a user without a Microsoft account to set up local account. Type your username, then password, and re-enter the password for the confirmation. Either you can leave it blank if you do not want any password. Now click on Next to create a new local account. Here you can see our new local account already. Method 2. Command prompt. Click in Search, type CMD, select Run as administrator. Click on Yes. Type net space user space your username space new password or leave it empty, then /add. Press Enter and it's done. You will have your local account. So that's how you can create new user account on Windows 10. See you in the next video.